Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn on dark mode in Character AI. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to character.ai. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on your profile icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, click on Settings. From the options here, go to Preferences tab. After that, you will see Theme. Now, choose the theme from here. Either it's light mode or dark mode, and you can also use your system. So that is how you can turn on a dark mode or you can turn off. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.